Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making chicken wings. More on that right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making chicken wings. They were on sale the other day, so I ended up getting 3 packs of them. First thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 400. Got my broiler pan right here. Some vegetable oil. Now I do have aluminum foil under this, make it easier to clean up. Go ahead and get our chicken wings. Put them on our pan. Now we're going to go ahead and dry them off. That'll help them get a little more crispy. We're going to take some olive oil, just regular, the Walmart store brand. Rub it around. We're going to season them. I couldn't decide what kind of seasoning I wanted, so I'm going to be using 2 kinds, Weber, steak and chop. You can just use salt and pepper, whatever you really want. Okay. Then I'm going to add gourmet burger. I know it's chicken, but trust me, it's good on chicken too. Not just for burgers. Okay, now we're going to flip it over. Now you can actually do this in a bowl. But what I'm trying to do is save myself a little bit of less dishes. I'm going to go ahead, stick this in the oven for 30 minutes. We'll come back, flip them, and stick them back in the oven. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. What we're going to do, go ahead, give them a flip, stick them back in for 20 minutes. Okay, while our chicken's in the oven, I'm gonna mix up some barbecue sauce. You got open pit, I think it's like $1 at the Walmart. We got original, brown sugar and bourbon, and hickory. Now, that seasoning I put on, it has a little bit of a smoky taste, so I'm not gonna be using the hickory because that does have a smoky taste to it. What I'm gonna do is add some of the brown sugar and bourbon. And add some of the original. Now if you notice, when I poured it, the brown sugar and bourbon's a lot thicker than the original. One of the reasons I like to mix the two. Go ahead, give that a nice mix. Now I'm going to take it up a notch, put some sriracha in it. go. Now, if you want to thicken this up even more, there's a little secret to it. Creamy peanut butter. Now you just gotta make sure nobody has a nut allergy that's gonna be eating them. Fortunately, I don't have a nut allergy. As you see, it has thickened up. We're gonna leave it like that, let it set. And we got about another 11 minutes in the oven. Okay, what I did, I forgot to hit record. So basically all I did was take my barbecue, my chicken, dip it in the barbecue sauce, shake it off a little, put it back on the pan. I'm gonna go ahead, stick them back in the oven for 10 minutes, see how they look. I want them nice and caramelized. If they're good, I'm gonna leave them out. If they're not, I'm gonna stick them in a little bit longer. Okay, I stuck them in for a total of 15 minutes. I checked them at the 10-minute mark. Didn't think they were caramelized enough, so I stuck them in for 5 minutes more. Now you're gonna wanna leave them set for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool off, let all the juices go back into the meat. I know some of you are worried if Blue Dog's gonna get any. He's not gonna get any of these because of all the spiciness. But what I am gonna do, I have a bunch more to do, and I'll make sure I make him some. Hopefully, you found this recipe helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.